33, we begin again by identifying that line XY and line AB intersect one another at point P. So now if we label the measures that were given, angle APY is given by the expression x squared plus 7, and angle XPA is given by the expression 1/3 x squared plus 65. So once we label them, we now need to determine how they're related. These are a linear pair, therefore if we add them together, so 1/3 x squared plus 65 plus the expression x squared plus 7, linear pair is supplementary, so they're going to add up to 180 degrees. So now it's just a matter of solving our equation. We'll combine our like terms. A coefficient of 1 in terms of thirds is 3/3, so 1/3 x squared plus 3/3 gives us 4/3 x squared. 65 plus 7 gives us 72. If we isolate our variable, we're going to subtract 72 from both sides, and we get 4/3 x squared is equal to 108. And now we want to isolate our the x squared completely by itself, so we'll multiply both sides of this equation by the reciprocal of its coefficient 4/3. So if we multiply 3/4, the 3 and the 4's cancel here, leaving just an x squared. And if we multiply 108 by 3/4, 4 goes into 108, 4 goes into 10 twice, with 2 remaining. 4 goes into 28 7 times. 27 times 3 gives us our value 81. And now we can extract our square root. When we extract a square root, you do have to take into consideration the positive and negative root. So the square root of 81 is 9. Since we're dealing with, or in this particular case, all we really needed to know was what x squared was, so we didn't even really need this last step. We could have just used the step x squared is equal to 81. Because we're going to substitute that in here, 81 plus 7 gives us 88. And here, 1/3 of 81 plus 65 should give us the supplement of 88, which is 92. Let's confirm it. 3 goes into 8 twice with 2 remaining. 3 goes into 21 7 times. 27 plus 65 is in fact 92. Those are our two angles, and then the vertical angles will be equal. And so when we write our solutions here for each of these, we get the measure of angle XPB is 88 degrees. The measure of angle YPB is 92 degrees. The measure of angle YPA is 88 degrees. And finally, the measure of angle APX is 92 degrees. So these would be our solutions.